In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Wix website multilingual. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix dashboard. Now from here in the search bar on the top, what we want to do is search for Wix multilingual. And as you can see, there is this Wix multilingual apps for your site. So click on it. So what we're going to do is going to add languages to our site. So as you can see, it's installed. Just click on open. Now from here, first add a new language to your site. So click here on go to site languages. And this should be your main language. Now just click on add language. Now you can choose the country. So let's say Japanese. And you can either set it to manual translation or machine translation. So let's say machine translation. So make site in Japanese visible right away. Just click select yes, or just no, keep it hidden for now. So let's try just choosing yes and click on add language. And as you can see, I already have my new Japanese language right here. So just add the languages that you want to add to your Wix website and you're good to go. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.